So if you want to connect your Redmi Buds 6 Pro to your Mac or to your MacBook, all you have to do is open up the case with the earbuds inside the case, and then press this little button below the case or at the bottom of the case next to the charging port. Press and hold that button until that light on the case starts blinking like that. So when it starts blinking like that, it means they are in Bluetooth pairing mode, and you want to keep this open while you go to the Bluetooth settings of your Mac. So just click on this little button here and then go to Bluetooth and click on this arrow. That opens up your Bluetooth settings. Click on Bluetooth settings. So on the Bluetooth settings page, if you scroll, you should see your Redmi Buds 6 Pro detected, and all you have to do now is click on connect, and they should get paired and connected. There you go. So let's check in the list. Here we are. Redmi Buds 6 Pro are currently connected. You can even see the percentage of the battery here, and that's it. So now in the sound department, if you click here and then check on sound, you can see our sound output device is the Redmi Buds 6 Pro. So now you can take them out of their case, put them in your ear, and use them to listen to media and music and watch movies and whatnot. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And if you have any comments or questions, talk to us in the comment section. Good luck.